been getting short here. However, I was looking for this, okay? That's what I was looking for. Did I get it? Absolutely not. Okay. Um oh man. This is why you use good risk management too. Okay. So I get long here, I get stopped out. Okay. One loss. Next trade. Come in here. We're looking for this level now. So we got, I believe it's in here. This is why you can't just trust Fibonacci. Okay. This is important. Okay. I have this level marked out here. This was actually my winning trade, but before that, we have VWAP. Let's go into VWAP. I'm looking for a breakout, retest continuation. Okay. This is the plan. We sweep the liquidity in here. You V-shape recover, you break out, and you continue out. I get stopped out here. Very cheap trade. Okay. Only $150 loss if we zoom in here. This is the thing. If we do not bounce off of VWAP, so VWAP's in right in here, and hold VWAP, it's a trade setup. So we come down here, we bottom, we get volume in here. Sorry, 1 second. Let me delete that. So we get volume in this candle here, right here. We push up, okay? We look for continuation. Stop loss goes literally right below the low here. I get stopped out there, okay? Then, okay, so I'm down 500 already. Fun time. Okay, this is fun. I love trading. Then we come into our golden pocket zone. Okay. We come down in here. We get a sweep of the lows into our zone in here. I'm like, no trade, no trade, no trade. Sweep of the lows, bounce out. I buy this candle, win. I make $700. I'm up $200 now. This is why you use good risk management. And then later in the day, I went long off of here. It stalled out here. I was mad. It stalled out here and it stopped. I went long off of the lows here and I got stopped out here. $300 loss. Down 100. It was a $400 loss. So down $200 for the day. So I'm down $200. Okay, and now I'm sitting here wondering if I should just quit. No. No. It's been a very volatile, crazy day. Okay? Honestly, it's been very very look, scammy, down, choppy, no direction, okay? Very all over the place. Okay, so it's not been an easy trading day. That's why you need to use good risk management. Okay, so now we're looking for the long in here. Can we get continuation out of this area in here? We got swing low to swing high. We got golden pocket zone. We got an order block. We can look for the long in here and see if we push out of this zone in here. Okay. However, I do want to wait for a higher low. Okay. I do not want to just press buy here because we are clearly in a downtrend. Okay. So that's been my trading day. Now, I think what's gotten me a little bit caught up today is like the medium term time frame. So like the 15, the 30 minute. You look at them here, they're all bottoming out. Okay. Which is like, okay, we're looking for a bottom. Okay. But if you go up to like the hourly, okay, and this is why you always got to do top down. This morning we were topping out, bearish divergence. We still got room to the downside. If you go on the 2 hour, this is why you always got to do top down, right? Because the higher term time frames are going to be daddy. Okay, look at this. Bearish divergence. Okay. So should I have gotten long? I was following a strategy. I was using good risk management. I was wrong. That's okay to be wrong. But if we want to make money, what's the number one rule to making money, OC?
Not losing.
Not losing, right? So what do we understand here? And this is like basic Alex teaching. which I didn't follow basic Alex teaching. Okay. What do we have here? So we zoom out. Let's just look. Okay. Let's be smart. What's the number one tool we have besides the indicators? OC?
Ice, rain.
Yeah, this is a good one, right? So what do we have here? We have an ugly ass flag. My favorite. OC my favorite, bro. My favorite. I live for this pattern, baby. I wake up in the morning, I draw symmetrical triangles, baby. I love it. Okay?
Oh man.
That's why I bought here, right? Uh look at this key level bouncing, okay? What are we in right now, OC? A range, right? We're in a range. Clear as day. Buy low, sell high. So we should be looking for longs here with confirmation. Okay, that's fine. We shouldn't be looking for longs here if we are double topping and dumping, okay? We should be looking for shorts. I was wrong, okay? What do we have here? We have liquidity. What do we have here? We have liquidity. What does this tell us? We have buyers coming in at higher levels suggesting to push price up. But when they push price up, right? What goes up must come down, right? So you come back and you grab liquidity, right? You grab liquidity, right? So this morning, when you come in to the trading session, which I did not smartly do, we have all this liquidity in here. This is not here, right? We have double topped. We have broken the low of the double top. We should be looking for a retest, continuation trade, and take it down to minimum target 1, which would be these lows, and then to target 2, these lows. And all targets would have been hit and we would have been rich, but we didn't, okay? But that's what is the difference. Is the planning before the trading. And my planning today failed me. Okay? It failed me. And now I'm scrambling and I'm good at scrambling. I can scramble back and I can scalp my way back into break even or into profits. But it's much easier taking 2 trades and making whatever, 2,000 bucks, $1,000, $500, whatever your goal is. And being like, I'm done. Now I'm like, okay, I got to find some money. I'm gonna get out the scalping machine, and I'm lucky I have the skills to do that. But sometimes it's a couple losses, it's a couple more trades. Sometimes it's 5 more trades. Sometimes it's 2 losses, 3 wins, right? It's always risk management. I'm lucky I have the skills to do it, but it's also I wouldn't be in this situation if I had just planned properly, right? And that's always something to learn, right? Poor planning promotes piss poor performance, as they say. That's the 6 P's of carpentry. Poor planning promotes piss poor performance, right? You're never going to be that good if you don't plan and prep, right? If you're not doing that, you're asking to fail, right? So that's my morning. How is your morning going?
Man, we just here we just have so much sympathy that I just open up a lung.
Yeah. OC's long.
Oh man, and I'm on the water. I have a position almost getting ready to hit my stop loss 86 570 for the stop loss. We'll see. I thought I could have gained just that slight upwards movement for the last time. Let me see if I can share it. By the way, this was a kind of like a for fun trade. But still, I mean, man, it's not going the way I wanted to go. But once again, this is just to take a look at if I could just grab one more bounce out of this. So I was expecting. Remember that I told you guys that I was seeing this area, see here, for the top of this range to maybe jump into a trade, right? Ah, look at that! It's about to kick me out. All right, so I went in here, but look at that. I am flipping on the ribbon and I was breaking through. Ooh, it's not there yet. Man, I'm just looking at my broker. Whatever. Let's ignore it for a second. So the point is, like, when you look at the oscillator, there's a slight chance, like in here. You see how we go down, right? We make the fake out, and then we go up, right? I was hunting this fake out, but I front run it too fast, too early. All right. So what's happening right now? I don't have the flip of the ribbon. Oh man, it just retraced. Nice. Look at that, almost there. Man, I'm telling you, I'm a sentimental
You're
trader.
getting emotional now.
I am. And this is not even a full position, bro. But whatever. The point So the point in here, it is that I'm looking for that slight piece of movement to the upside here, right? Not even, and you see, this is my full target. Half of this is gonna be my early TP. So TP number 1, TP number 2, and trailing whatever it takes me if it goes up. There we go. There we go. Push it, Bitcoin. You can do it.
Go to the
All right.
moon. Let's
Go
go
to the
for
moon.
OC. Let's go.
Let's go. All right. So, man, this is an
Let's get a
indecisive
dump now.
candle. Yeah, let's just call out that trade just for now. All right. I cannot, man, I cannot teach. All right, at a slightly loss, just it was a 0.5 loss. Man, I cannot concentrate. All right. Not in this market. All right. So the point is, I was trying to catch this itty bitty movement, right? Alex mentioned once, or like, what was it? Tiny movements, right? I call them midget movements. So I just wanted to kind of get that one.
Breadcrumbs.
Yeah, breadcrumbs. You're right. You're right. Breadcrumbs. Sorry for that. And just kind of like a go for a hey, like just for the laughs. Nonetheless, we're losing the zero line, and this is exactly what I'm right now losing or closing my trade at this point. Look at how we're going into the red cloud in our oscillator, right? That is telling me that the movement up ahead, the immediate movement should be bearish. And yeah, we're moving lower. So what am I going to be looking for? Maybe double bottom here, slightly upwards movement. So my next entry could be a little bit lower, somewhere around here. If this bounces, that's gonna be okay. I don't really care. We just need to put on in here a higher low. That's what I'm after at this point. A higher low on the 3 minutes. That will basically be confirming that we're gonna be moving upwards from now on. But not for a long, long time, guys. We are still bearish, right? But that gives us a chance to bounce in here and maybe try to make another position to the upside above the zero line, which in that case will mean that we could even get to the dynamic reactor. This is a trade that I would like to take. All right. Not actually this one that I was just trying to, squeeze out of the market. One more thing that I want to tell you guys is also respecting your stop loss and also knowing when to cut out of that danger. I mean, at that point, I would have been already profits, but you'll see that I will be back and forth, back and forth, back and forth on that trade. That is also to show you guys that everybody's different on their sentiments. I am a very sentimental trader. That's why when I trade, I try to do it off camera. That man, I got crazy. I got too sentimental. But I also
Do you talk to the candles?
yeah.
Go up, you go.
Oh yes, I do. Oh man, I do
I
talk
knew
to
it.
candles.
In Mexican too.
In
Or
Mexican.
Spanish.
Yes, man. I do usually
Ándale,
swear a lot.
ándale, ándale. No,
Oh man, I grab my pistolas, right? My guns in here. Oh shit. But yeah, I'm just trying to put in here or see to put in here a higher low, right? At that point, I don't really care if I'm jumping in slightly late. Why? Because we're gonna be rinse and repeating, right? Why do we rinse and repeat? Look at this trend line that we have, right? So we're gonna be doing that in this micro trend, right? I want to break out retest. I don't really care anything else as long as we're putting a higher low, right? Breakout, maybe going retest, and that's gonna be it, right? I might be trying to catch it here. I will see what I do, but at that point, well, we're breaking through. All right, we're having that goose head. I need to wait for that kind of close, and maybe that'll be my signal to jump back in. Another thing, guys, it is that we have, or I do have a lot of indicators to my left. Those are the 7 indicators. Look at that, Market Dynamics Pro, over and over and over and over. But here's the trick that I do to trade, guys. Yeah, usually let's go to a cleaner chart. Let's go somewhere here. A couple is cleaner. What I try to do is to separate them on important zones or important tools per layer. All right. So, for example, right here, look at that. This market dynamics shows me something that we cannot see because I'm too close into my charts. All right, patterns, right? And then the next one shows me VPVR and liquidity zones, right? And it is the same tool, but with different configurations, right? Or different inner tools turn on. If I go to the next one, look at that, order blocks, and look at that. We have an order blocking here. We have another order blocking here. So I am expecting the breakout retest, right? So I think we are confirming the higher low, and possibly on the next pullback down, I will be going in with a long if I can hold this trend line. All right. So maybe I'll just keep it open. We'll see. But that's the same structure that we're looking for, right? Just putting up some higher highs and higher lows, and then keep going with that trend until we face a big resistance. So far, the immediate big resistance, it is where we have confluence. What is confluence? Soft order block. So far, a soft order block. All right. Predictive range and dynamic reactor coming in strong. So my real enemy at this point is going to be right here if I can confirm this movement upwards. So Legendary Pro OC, thank you, my friend. Thank you. Really, really appreciate it, Daggett. So thank you for that. So that's what I'm seeing. I also want to go to something that you might bash on me, man. And I'll deserve it. I'll deserve it. That is, you gotta be kidding me. Did not, yeah, Monero. So Monero is a dead project. I do remember back in the day when Monero was a big. I told you. Oh, was that or either that or XRP? Pick your poison.
XRP, man.
All right. Well, we'll keep on Monero anyways. The point is that we're having a movement to the upside. Not in 3 minutes. I want to go to the 4 hours here. There we go. This is what we're looking for. Look at the candle here, right? And look at where I do have an alert. This is telling me that I could be having a chance, kind of like going to a dead project that is suffering of market cap, just like a meme coin, all right? But without the craziness of the Bitcoin. Let me say that with quotations. Why? Because at this point, first I'm going to be hoping or waiting for a retracement like that, all right? Just a retracement like this. Trying to jump in somewhere around here. But also, I'm going to be trying to catch one of those candles, all right? Let me show you the market cap possibilities in here. Let's go to price range. If I caught it even on the candle close and then try to ride it, not even the whole way thing, it's going to be a 160% on 10x leverage. Right here will be just a 16% no leverage. I will say that this is good enough for a dead project, right? So, XRP is not dead. It's one of the better performance. Really, man. So, CryptoPo, you got me there. I mean, you know what? I did consider Monero dead because of how they left the project, and also because behind all of the scammy miners, like they made scripts to hack your browser, and then, yep,
I went long.
you went long. You went long. Oh man. No. He's just doing it to me now. He's just doing it to me. Look. Oh man, are you kidding me? Did I miss the long? Oh, let me see. Oh, I missed the long, man. Kind of close. Oh shit. Zoom out an XMR chart. Yes, I did, bro. Like, it's looking good. That's why I'm willing to enter, right? It's been a forever range. Lightly moving upwards, right? But man, you're just kidding me. Yeah, man, I can't stop watching my broker right here to my right.
Baby. Let's go.
Dude. Oh man, that was a perfect
done.
retest, bro. Oh, loved it. We'll see. I still have a chance. I still have the next chance on the order block. We'll see. We'll see if I caught it here. Zcash was 1,000, and now, oh, let's take a look at Zcash. By the way, Zcash, yeah, now it's Sen, right? Zcash now it's Sen. So, and man, that was a really heartbroken for me. I was a real fan of Zcash. You know, like I know it was a hard fork. What the hell am I looking at? ZUS?
Zcash.
No, but that's Zcash. Is
We
it?
say Zed
Oh,
in
you're
Canada.
right. You're right. You're right. No, but yeah, you're right. I confused it. But out of the Zcash, we had Zen Cash. That was a real fan of that. It also plummeted. But you're right. I'm just getting confused. CZ. I don't know. I like better set, but we'll see. But yeah, and right now it is 38, right? I mean, let's go to daily. Oh, look at that. Still, this pump was good. 74. Look at that. $361. Oh, man. So I don't know. I think these legacy coins still have a place, especially C Cash, and Sen Cash. I still hold my Sen. Why is that? Those are security coins. I believe, and this is hopium, that in maybe in a conflict we can still have a use for those to send messages. So just maybe out of a hopium analysis right there for you guys, but we'll see, we'll see. Let me throw it back to you, because dude, I still have all right. I still want to jump in right now, but no, we're making a lower high. Did you call out already your trade? Are you out of your long?
I'm out. Oh yeah, man. I'm
Nice,
out. I made
nice.
$640, and
Told you guys.
you're jealous.
I am, bro. I am. Told you guys. This guy right here, Alex, can just get back on his feet like that, man. He just only needs not the fun of the live stream, but yeah. Man, I also always watch his live stream. If you're not, go watch him. It's Alex All Crypto on YouTube.
Today I put on a. I was yelling at people. I was because I was having okay. So I took two losses and a win on the live stream, and no, I took four trades, three losses, one win. Okay, $500. So I had $700 worth of losses on three trades and one win for $700. Okay, so I had a bad trading morning, like literally had a bad trading morning, right? And I just went off, man. I was like, all these fake traders telling you what to do, not managing risk, giving you shitty projects to buy, telling you to buy virtuals at $4. Like I don't know what got into me this morning, bro. I was off. And I had a bad trading morning. Obviously, I've made my money back and I'm up $500 now, but I just like for people who want to do this full time, right? We were doing this as well, and I'll share it with you guys too. I think Daga DT was there this morning, so he saw me. he saw me going off as well. Um, but and this is it, right? So like we were talking about the journey, right? And everybody has their own journey. Did I save the journey? Okay, this is the journey. Okay, I saved this, so we're marking this out. The journey. Okay, so this is my trading journey, and okay, let's mark it out here. So we have down, then we have up. Okay, this was my first 7 months of trading. Okay, I was pissed off because I kept losing, but I was degen. I was 75x leverage, 100x leverage. I would post my trades for the P&L, you know. I would, I'd go through and I'd show you guys, oh, I made 180%, right? And I wouldn't manage my risk and I'd make $3 on my 500% trade. You know, it was like total bullshit, right? And then I got really sick of being a fucking loser, really. Okay, like that, if I'm being honest, right? I got sick of being a loser, so I started to use risk management and strategize. Okay, this was me going to becoming profitable. Okay, then after becoming profitable, I started to compound my account. Okay, I started to compound my account and create a trading account. So I traded a $1,000 account. I blew it up 5 times. I've said, that's it. I'm taking this seriously. Okay. Boom. I compounded 1,000 to 5,000. Then I compounded 5,000 to 10,000. Then I compounded 10,000 to 100,000. Okay. And that was this journey in here. And I had proven to myself within this area here, another 6 to 7 months, that I was profitable, that I could do this, making about $2,000 to $3,000 a week, every single week. And I proved that to myself over this time. Then I took a leap of faith in here and I went full time. Okay. And I've been full time ever since then. And then this line here. So this is full time, free Discord, no affiliate links, no money from YouTube, just trading. Okay. Just trading. This is when I started my paid membership in my Discord. Okay. So having a free Discord, just trading, traders helping traders. And then I started a paid Discord, which does help pay for my bills now. Okay. But it was becoming a profitable trader, compounding an account. That was the journey. Okay. So if you're stuck over here trying to become a profitable trader and you're posting your 150% gains and your 100x leverage shit and you're still losing and your P&L looks like this: win, 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 broken account, win, 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 broken account. Okay, this does not get you profitable. Small wins, small losses, big wins, small losses. You will get steady growth and you'll get a big win. Then you small loss, small loss, small loss, small loss, win, 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 win. Your P&L should look like that. It should not look like a fucking stegosaurus, okay? You know the dinosaur, right? It should not look like this guy, okay? It should not be like da 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 da. This is not profitable trading, okay? Unless you're really zoomed in and this is like your daily thing, right? So that's the journey. Get out of this zone. If you want to create a life of freedom for yourself, you get out of this zone. You start applying what we teach you here with good risk management, using your tools to help you map out this chart, make money, and that's what it's all about. But I want you to get out of this place and get into this place. That would be my goal. Okay. CryptoPoyo says, I've been with Alex for a long time. He still owes me a kangaroo fight, but with proper risk management, you can lose more trades and still be profitable. And that's it. And that's it, yeah. Poyo's been here basically day one. Look at this long trade, baby. We should have stayed in it. We would have been rich, OC. Look
You're
at
just
it.
giving me the
Going
FOMO,
to the
dude.
moon. Look, it's going to the moon, buddy.
Oh
Oh,
shit.
man, we're out of
Oh,
here. We're outta
bullish
here.
divergence. We have bullish divergence breaking above the zero line. Man, I'm just looking for a retracement to
Look at
DJ and
this.
have a
Seeker,
position, bro.
Seeker peeker. Where
Oh,
are your
nice.
seekers? Look at this. We're off to the moon, bro. Moon boys.
Oh, love it, love it. Guys,
All
just
right.
don't let don't let the FOMO chase after you as Alex is doing to me. Dude, it's just fantastic. Remember, we enter on lower points, right? We enter on lower points. FOMO is part of the fun. It's the fun, sorry, right? So it's just like a roller coaster. You go to a roller coaster to suffer because it's fun to suffer. Humanity, right? Humanity. But I'm also in for the ride. So what can I say for that? Basically, we enter on low positions on lower, price action when we retrace at support. That's where we enter. We still at high zones, right? When the price already have moved. Be patient. Remember, if the damn thing just keep moving upwards, wait for the retracement. Wait for the retracement. Get a stop loss. Look for your support areas. That's what you want to go back in. All right. So other than that, I think we're gonna be cutting it for now today. We have another session in farther throughout the day, Alex. Right?
We don't
In
stop,
crypto,
man. It doesn't end.
it
We
doesn't
we
end.
live we live in the crypto world. We might as well join the Matrix.
Oh yes, please, man.
Dude, we're gonna
Dude,
pump right now, bro. Holy
absolutely.
smokes.
I want to give you a gossip before I go. I was supposed to
Uh-oh.
get married tomorrow. All right, I'm not longer going to be. Don't worry, it's not what it seems. When we were getting to Cosimo, my fiance told me, "Hey, guess what?" I'm like, "What?" I did not grab your documentations for getting married, so we're not.
You're not getting
This
married?
No, man. I need to go back to my hometown to get my documents and then come back here.
How did you fuck
So-
that one up?
I did it. I did it. It was not my responsibility this time. I promise.
I don't believe you.
I promise. But it's gonna be moved over into 15 days and 2 weeks from now. But yeah, that shit happens in life, on trading. That's what we got, guys. Hopefully, you guys are having a great rest of your day, guys.
I thought you wanted to
And
see a picture of me with a kangaroo.
no, are you making it? Do you have it? Let's do it.
I have one of me in construction. Do you want to see me in construction?
Yeah, man.
Oh my god, this is funny. This was back in the day, man. Back in the day. If you want to stop that was me,
Oh,
man.
look at you, bro. Nice,
Carpenter.
nice.
That was it. I'll find the selfie with the kangaroo and then I'll share it with you guys tomorrow
I'll
when I
prepare
lived in
mine too from
Australia.
construction.
Oh man, too funny. Wait. I think I may have found it. Where is it here? Nah, it's hard to find. It's in my Australian photo. Yeah. I don't think you guys are too interested anyways. We'll find it and we'll share it tomorrow so you guys don't have to wait. But yeah, be safe out there. This is going to be a very interesting ride. I think we can bounce here, but I would look for a retesting continuation down. What do you think, OC?
I also think so. This one I'm gonna be looking for the order block that we have above us. Maybe if we really push it, 87,232 ish, and then bounce back down. I think we're gonna have a secondary chance to re-enter. So be on the lookout.
Are we going to get short then?
I don't think so. Not just now. We're still pushing, and we are above the zero line. So unless we start losing the zero line, I'll go short.
Sounds good to me. Trade safe,
Nice.
everybody.
Guys,
I'll
thank you so
find the
much for
photo.
joining. Yeah, so I'll prepare mine also for tomorrow. Guys, thank you so much for joining. And as always, see you guys tomorrow.